So we spent the afternoon at the, how do you say it, Village Nature? This big water park.
Nature Village.
Yeah, it's really lovely here. You can buy tickets for a whole day or an afternoon, and we'll talk about that later, but you can get the bus from the bus station, but we've just been in for a swim and everything, and we're going to take you for a little look around in a minute so you can see what it's like. But it's massive, it's really lovely here, so it's definitely worth a visit. But I'll fill you in later on what buses to get, how much it was and all that sort of thing, but for now, because we're nearly up.
Next to Davy Crockett's.
Yeah, it is next to Davy Crockett as well.
That's the road into Davy Crockett's, right next to us there.
But it's we haven't got a lot of battery left in the phone, so the camera. So we will just take you for a quick tour around, show you some things, and tell you all about, as I say, all the prices and things later. But yeah, very impressed. Really like it. And there's a Vapiano here and some boulangerie and other little restaurants and things, so we might have something to eat here as well. But yeah, it's really lovely, so we'll show you around. Going to go up to the top of this to give you a view of the over the whole sort of area, but turnstile is shut. It says that there's a maximum capacity of people who can go up there, and you actually seem to be able to get up there. What you get is you get like a magic band when you come in, and this is your locker key, and basically you just press this against the button. There's a black button on the locker. You press this against the black button and it locks it. You press it against it again, it unlocks it. And this is the thing that gets you in and out of everywhere. So this is your sort of admission ticket, locker key. You don't pay for the lockers, they're all included in the price. So you haven't got to pay for anything. So yeah, you have to use them. Look, they've got fake reeds that obviously light up at night.
And a baby.
Baby ducks.
No, it's not a duck.
Moorhen, isn't it? Yeah.
I can't remember.
Or something similar.
Or moorhen. One's
Yeah.
got a red piece, one's got a white piece. There's a fish in there as well. I told you once.
So while we're walking back to the main entrance, we thought we'd just tell you a bit about the prices and everything. So we got from our concierge at the hotel, so Gary's got the giggles again, from our concierge at the hotel we got our tickets.
A bit camera shy.
And you can buy a full day ticket, which is €50 each, or you can buy a half day, which is what we've done, and they were €25 each. That's for admission from 4 p.m. Apparently that's 4 p.m. till 11 p.m. and the actual pools are open from 4 p.m. till 8:30, I think they said. So it's plenty of time. To be honest, when it's really hot, you don't want to be in the pool all day anyway. You get burnt like anything. So you know, we found this has been long enough for us. We just wanted to do it really as a taster to come and see. You get the bus from the main bus station. And it's a number 47 bus. It's in the middle of the sort of bus lay-bys, isn't it? It's the middle section. I can't remember, I think was it I or J, something like that. But it says on it number 47.
It's like 3 rows, isn't it?
Yeah, and it's the middle row, and it's, I think it was I or J, something like that. But it's the middle row, and it says on it, on the timetable, number 47. From Chessy, from the bus station, they were at 04 and 34 past each hour. And going back from here, they are at 24 and 54 past each hour. So that gives you an idea. It's €2 each way. So you just hand your driver your €4 for the two of us. And that's fine. When you get here, you just have to queue up in the main entrance and hand your tickets over, and that's when they give you your kind of magic band thing. So hopefully, if any of you want to give it a try, that gives you some information on how to do it and what to do. So bus is just leaving. Gary's a tired bunny. Had a nice day. We're going to leave it there for now.
Check out these seats, just like wine gums. And a pretty snazzy wooden floor as well. Wood effects. Excellent. Just made it all worthwhile.